Hello everybody, I welcome you to the Schooldeeds platform. Before moving on, let us look at a few very important details. We do not charge anything per student. We give unlimited students, staff and cloud storage for all subscription plans. And our price never changes for existing users. For more details, you can please check out the contact information in the description and you can directly reach out to us. Let's get started. In this video, let us understand how the examination control feature works on the Schooldeeds platform. Once we open the platform, we need to enter in all of our details and click on the login button. Once done, we will be landing on the dashboard where you can see all of the important information and all of the details. On the left side, you'll be seeing all of the different features that are offered on our platform. We have already covered multiple videos that talk about the examination setup, including the examination marks or the grade sheet or how to set up the date sheet. In this video, let us see how exactly is the examination controller used. So right now, as we click on this option, we can see that there is no examinations found, and we can also see that there is no certificate assignments found because we have not assigned anything yet. So over here, we have three different options. We have the controller, certificate controller, and result published controller. In this video, let us see how the controller works. Basically, the examination controller is used by the controller to allow access to the teachers to enter in all of the marks of the students on the portal pertaining to a particular term or pertaining to a particular subject. So firstly, we need to select the term that we want. Whenever you're selecting a term, all the subjects related to that term will be appearing based on the entries made. And if you want, you can edit these or remove them as well. And whenever the editing or checking is allowed, editing would be possible only during that date. After that, it will be locked. Once we are done, check off all of these details and click on the submit button. And there you go, all of your details are saved successfully. Once you click on OK, you will be able to see all of the different entries over here, including the checking status, the published status, which paper is it, which class is it. You will be able to see all of these details. You also have the option to export to Excel or CSV or PDF if you want. Next up, we have two action buttons over here, which is the edit and the delete. If you want to edit any details, you can click on it easily and you will be redirected to the same options. Let us now select term 2 over here, and I will also be changing the exam checking date from 22nd of March. Perfect. After that, you just need to click on update and your details will be saved successfully. Next up, now you can see that there is term 2 as well, and the date has also been updated, and you have 43 entries now, including all of the term 1 and term 2. If you want to delete any entry, mind you that over here you can delete individual entries as well. As soon as you click on yes delete, this entry will be permanently deleted from the system. I really hope that this video could have helped you a lot. In case you have any doubts, please feel free to comment below and we will definitely get back to you and assist you. And make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the notification bell to stay tuned for all our upcoming updates. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.